Hello guys! So for today's video guys, we're going to the beach today guys. So let's go! So this is our outfit guys for today. So go guys! Dai, say hi sa me. Hi! Let's go! Look the weather guys. Bataan! It's so cool. It's chill. Very nice. We're at here guys, so now let's go straight. We'll see. This is exploring guys. Panglao. I mean, exploring where are the pool beach. Pool beach. So mag-explore me diri guys. Ug asa ang nice nga beach na guys. So, ano siya ang way. Anyways, I think we're here guys. Ano siya guys. Oh, yeah. Ano siya kabunwahan guys. Pero we'll see. Look at that. We're here. This is called Huyuhuy Beach. Huyuhuy Beach. Yeah, and it's perfect timing. It's because it's high tide, guys. I can see the beach now. Look at that. Look at that, guys. See? It's high tide, guys, and it's so... Wow. Look at that, guys. Wow. Wow. See, there are stairs here, guys, going into this. What a beautiful. Look at that, guys. Nice guys siya. So we're here na, guys. Nice stairs, ano oh. Oh, ano siya oh. Ano ang permanent. It's nice. So peaceful. It's so peaceful, guys. Kami ra jud dinhi, guys. Oh. Kami ra jud dinhi. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. So pretty. Small na siya guys. Look at that. Ano siya guys yung view. Ano siya. I think ari de kay wala kay siya yung mga ano siya guys. Ano siya guys? Nice guys siya. Not touristic. I love it. Karon guys kay itong mag-itom-itom na ta guys. Let's explore something new guys. Nice guys siya. Nice siya guys. Ang view niya guys. And look at the water. Peaceful guys siya. As in. I think this is my favorite na. Nice siya guys. Ah, nice guys siya. Ano yun? No guys. Okay yung water. siya. Actually, pag dinhi ko ato, nice kayo yung spot din na for picture taking. Nice kayo siya. As in, clear water. Wow. Oh. Oh. This is so cool. Hello guys, we're going home. So yes, we had so much fun here, and for sure we are going back. We're going back here because this is like my favorite, guys, here.